Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno 7 Lite to an Android device. You need to start by locating and opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, select Send on Oppo and Receive on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a lot of time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. For example, this one, choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then select Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time in this pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. Now, as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!